that what is going to happen is a process that's called intestacy. And that's just a fancy way of saying dying without a will. If that is the process that your family has to go through, what has to happen is they will have to go to what's called the probate court. And the court will then have to determine that there was in fact no will. And that also then who should be the one that would take or that would inherit your assets, your estate. Now, this process to go through intestacy sometimes can be very complicated if there's not a very natural next in line to take. The laws, the statutes are going to be what determine in the order that determines who takes or who inherits the property. This process, again, can be very drawn out if you end up in that probate court and there's a lot of questions, and there can even be infighting that happens when you do go through that process. Intestacy is not the direction that I recommend wanting to plan for, and that's why doing a comprehensive estate plan ahead of time is so important so that you or your family don't end up in the probate court trying to figure out what your wishes were. In order to make sure that doesn't happen, give me a call, the AWS law firm, 813-922-5293. We'll make sure that your estate does not end up in intestacy by setting up a proper estate plan right away in order to make sure that you're covered for whatever might happen next.